Game over. The remnants of the sea ice are occupied by sunbathing seals that have been here all winter. Killer whales, the ocean's top predator. Swimming in perfect formation, they flick their tails in unison and create a wave that cracks the ice. Now they are close enough to get a good look at their target. The seal is a crab-eater, sharp-toothed and feisty. Not their favourite. The wolves of the sea move on in search of easier quarry. A Weddell seal, that's better. This time they unleash a far more powerful wave, and with astonishing accuracy. The seal is now where the killers want it. But the hunt is far from over. Side swipes create violent underwater turbulence, a new tactic. Somehow the seal manages to reach a tiny ice floe. The killers could easily grab it, but now this seems to have become a game. Yet again, the pod joins forces to dislodge the seal. The seal sees a chance to escape. Exhausted, it no longer has the energy to pull itself to safety. Game over. Although such team hunts are rarely seen, scientists believe they may be the most complex ever documented in the natural world. They were first witnessed by Captain Scott and his men when they came to explore Antarctica 100 years ago.